Hello viewers, today I am going to ask you 4 questions and they are you empathetic? Are you creative? Do you have a broad ideology? Or do you think out of box? There are 8 signs you are smarter than you think. Let's check out your style of intelligence. According to Dunning-Kruger effect, intelligent people tend to underestimate their own intelligence as they are more aware of their own weaknesses. By knowing what they lack, they constantly strive for improvement. On the other hand, people who are overconfident about their capabilities often fall short of intelligent mark. You are empathetic? So, what is empathy? Simply put, it is an ability to understand feelings of other people. Empathy as a trait has been proven to be a sign of higher emotional intelligence in people. It involves ability to assess our own emotions or the emotions of other, being able to understand another person's perspective. You are creative. Being creative can be applied to many different things. Creativity is a sign of intelligence also because it shows that an individual is capable of thinking outside the box and has different approaches to the problems that they encounter. The ability to adapt to the situations and adjust their thinking accordingly is a sign of intelligence. Creative individuals also perceive their things in many different ways to gain more perspectives. You are proactive rather than reactive. A sign that you are an emotional intelligent individual is how you receive information. In our lives, it is highly common that people tend to react immediately after receiving information about something. Reacting immediately allows their emotions to take control of them as well. However, an emotionally intelligent individual would often take some time to process the information and think about it. But let's not confuse this as having slow reactions. It means that they would rather respond appropriately to situations rather than react impulsively. Although it is normal for people to be more reactive than proactive, being able to slow things down and respond calmly is a sign of emotional intelligence, as it shows that individual is a sign in control of their emotions. You are open-minded. According to a study, openness to experience was found to have positive correlations to levels of intelligence. This means being able to think openly and being open to new experiences are signs of intelligence. Being open to perspectives of others helps an individual form their own experiences, expose an individual to new ideas and points of view. Seeing different viewpoints introduces the individual to another ways of thinking before the formation of their own opinions. Thus, if you find yourself being open to new perspectives, you may be smarter than you think. You practice self-improvement. You just quarreled with your best friend and you want things to be okay again. So you chose to apologize first. The ill will evaporates and two of you reconcile, having the abilities to apologize for the shows that an individual is not prideful. Even though we find ourselves not entirely at fault, sometimes we practice self-checking to see how we could have handled the situation better. In doing so, we are able to apologize for no matter whose fault it was, because not only do we value the relationship more than our pride, that we are also open to self-improvement. Being able to put aside our pride to save a relationship is a sign of emotional intelligence, as we know what's more important. You crave to keep learning. Another sign of intelligence is to know that learning is a lifelong process. The desire to learn displays signs of intelligence because learning contributes to personal growth. Wanting to learn more can also be perceived as being open to new knowledges and adopting new ways of thinking, which contributes to a sign of intelligence. The desire to learn also encourages creativity in the thought process, which may be due to a drive for self-improvement. You are emotionally aware. Being emotionally aware is a sign of emotional intelligence, as it allows an individual to recognize when they are being manipulated or used. It helps individuals see through people's actions and evaluate the intentions behind them. As such, emotionally aware people are being or better able to protect themselves from emotional manipulators. Having that knowledge can make an individual potentially cunning. Although it can be a tool of manipulation, it can also be used to prevent manipulations. So how many of these signs did you feel that you aligned with? It's common that we often feel we are not as clever as other people. And this syndrome is called as imposter syndrome. Thank you. Hope you like my video and please share and subscribe to my channel. Have you ever wondered why distance of stars from Earth are measured in light years? If you want to know, check out my next post about why do astronomers measure distance in space as light years. Thank you.